These airbags can hold up to 600 psi and they are extremely durable and resistant to damage from wear and tear, inflation shock, or just outright abuse. Their outstanding construction provides extreme durability and reliability. Featuring a large 1/2 inch air port for fast response and a stroke of 9.7 inches for the best performance. In addition to the airbags, this kit will come with both airbags fittings, 2 Schrader valves and 20 feet of 1/4 of an inch outer diameter nylon hose.